Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Simran and today we're going to do an eye makeup tutorial on this green smoky eye makeup using Patrick Starr's Visionary One Size palette. So if you'd like to see how to create this look, then please keep watching. So starting off with my plouise base in shade Rumour 2 and creating a blank canvas for my eyelid. So leaving it tacky and not setting it so that the shadows can really grip onto the lid and the colors can really show through. Next, taking Patrick Starr's One Size palette and beginning with Matcha, a beautiful green matcha-y powder shade, and with a Morphe M506 brush, I'm making 3 points on my eyelid. Firstly, at the outer end, then on the inner end of my eye above the crease line, and thirdly in the center on top of my crease line, and then connecting all 3 points to make a dome shape above the crease. Now why am I applying this color above the crease? Because when I cut the crease halfway, I want this color to show. There's no point blending a color back and forth if when you know that when you cut the crease, it would be so low that all the colors would be removed. So something to keep in mind when you're ever doing a cut crease of any kind, you just want the colors visible when you carve out your cut crease. Unless you have hooded eyes, which gives you more wiggle room when deciding how high or how low you want your cut to be. Just keeping in mind that a light hand and the way you use the brush is really vital in getting a seamless blend. Next, with a Zoeva 228 crease brush and no product on the brush, I'm blowing and blending the color, staying true to the shape and just diffusing the matcha shade. And when blending out the color on the outer end of the eyelid, I'm not blending that straight down below my eye in the same movements that I'm using on the top curve of the lid. So on the top of the crease, I'm blending back and forth, and then when I reach to the outer end, I'm bringing the color inwards with round circular motions. So at the end, I'm kicking the color inwards towards the lid. Then moving on with Suede Charm, a deep orangey yellowish shade. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, this color. And I'm blending this shade slightly above the first color with the same Zoeva 228 crease brush. Blending, diffusing, merging the two colors together. Then moving on to Mango, this gorgeous light creamy yellowish shade as my last transition color, just to help diffuse out Suede Charm and ensure a very smooth and diffused blend. Then with Turban Legend and the Zoeva 231 crease brush, I'm focusing now on keeping the black in my crease and slightly diffusing and blending it into our first shade, Matcha, with the Zoeva 228 crease brush as well. Next, I'm blending all these colors and diffusing and softening the shades. Now taking some makeup remover to cut the crease slightly above my natural crease, but only 3/4 of the way. So I'm not cutting the crease all the way, I'm stopping slightly before the end of my eyelid. And you can gauge this however you want. I personally feel halfway exactly is too short unless I'm cutting the crease in the center and leaving shadows on both sides of the eyelid like a spotlight or halo sort of eye. But I'm cutting the crease here from the front of my eyelid all the way across the curve and stopping slightly before the outer end of my eyelid, so just leaving a fourth on the outer end. After cutting the crease and setting my lid with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Custard, I'm dabbing all of it a beautiful green olivey velvety shimmer all over the eyelid where I've applied the base, and then with the Zoeva 234 shader brush, bringing that black shade inwards from the outside, from the outer part of the lid, and merging the shimmer and the black shadows together just to ensure a smooth transition of colors. So I'm flicking the black shade towards the shimmer. Then with a MAC 220 brush, adding some of Turban Legend to my lash line, smoking out the shade and then enhancing and concentrating that smokiness by applying MAC's Eye Kohl Liner in Phone Number, a very creamy blendable gray shimmer to my lash line as well above the black shade, just to give more definition to the eyes. Then alternating between two of Jaclyn Hill's precision shading brushes, I'm bringing the black Turban Legend and Matcha below my waterline and blending the colors and smoking it out. And then with MAC's Undercurrent eyeliner, I'm also going to bring that beautiful creamy liner. It's a crayon liner. I'm going to glide this onto and below my waterline and then blend and smudge the green into the shadows below. Next, for my eyebrows, with some Pierce soap and setting spray, I'm brushing my hairs upwards to get a more natural look. And I'm not filling them in, just keeping them hairy and wild. Now for highlighting underneath my eyebrows, I'm dabbing Danessa Myricks in Light Halo Powder in the shade Angel Wings. It's a very luxurious, loose, crystallized powder with peachy gold shimmers. And here I'm lightly bronzing my face with Fenty's Caramel Cutie, just lightly warming my face and also the sides of my nose. And then coming back in with Danessa Myricks Halo Powder and adding it delicately in circular motions to the high points of my cheeks and slightly above my eyebrows as well. Then lastly, for my lips, I'm dabbing some of Marc Jacobs Quinns Stardust Glitter over Dior's Maximizer Lip Gloss. And then I'm lightly dabbing the glitter in the center. And then just to add some extra shine, I also put Danessa Myricks Clear Glaze Color Fix over the glitter. I wanted that rosiness from the lip gloss, then I wanted this glitter that also has these beautiful bronze rosy reflex to stick to the gloss, and then I wanted shine on top of that, and I wanted to seal it with Danessa Myricks Color Glaze, which is why I chose those 3 steps for the lips. And then I'm just adding Pat McGrath's Fetish Eyes Mascara just before applying some falsies. And this mascara doesn't clump my lashes, it doesn't make them crunchy, it just really conditions and elongates the lashes. I also decided to add some rhinestones at the end to one side of my face just to bedazzle myself up a little, but this step is not necessary at all. I just wanted to be a little extra. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial, and if so, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notifications for future videos. Thank you.